Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on your Motorola Moto G05. To do that, let's first open settings on our smartphone, and then let's open display settings. Here in display settings, we can find display size and text menu. And in this menu, we can change both the font size of the smartphone, moving the slider to the right, which will make the text bigger, or to the left to make it smaller. And we can also adjust the display size, selecting the size by moving this bottom slider to the right to increase the display size, or to the left to increase it, or to decrease it. And we can also enable or disable boldness of the text for better visibility, and we can also make the text high contrast by switching this toggle to the left. To reset settings, just select Reset Settings option and confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.